Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set name lock on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Then from here you can scroll down to lock screen. So click here lock screen. Then here you are going to find the screen lock type option, the first option. So click here. After move there, here is the password. Click on here password. Okay, then here you can write your name also. Then here click on continue. After you have finished to write your name, again you have to rewrite the name. If you want to see what you are writing, then you just click here on the eye. You are able to see like this. Okay, then click on continue, okay. So after that, when you click on okay, here is the done option. Click on done, and here the name lock has been set successfully on this mobile phone. You too, you can set it like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.